X premium subscribers can now access xAI's Grok chatbot. X, formerly known as Twitter, has begun offering xAI's Grok chatbot to its premium subscribers. Following Elon Musk's announcement, ensure the AI tool's expansion to more premium users of a social media platform. This development was announced on the support page of X, stating that only premium and premium plus users can access Grok chatbot in select countries. When the chatbot was initially announced last year, Elon Musk made it available to premium plus users only. In this tier, users pay a subscription fee of $16 per month or $168 per year. Meanwhile, with the latest announcement coming to light, Grok is now available to premium users of X, in which they pay a monthly subscription fee of $8. Users can interact with the bot in regular mode or a fun mode, and like other large language model tools, Grok displays labels stating that the chatbot might provide inaccurate answers. Some validating snippets have already unraveled themselves earlier this year when X added a new Explore view inside Grok, wherein the bot summarizes all the trending topic, reminiscent of the Perplexity AI backed by Jeff Bezos and Nvidia, which also provides news stories in a summarized form. Standing out among rivals, not only does Grok summarize trending news stories with their headlines, going an extra mile, it also fabricates news headlines. An example of this is that it wrote the headline for a story, "Iran strikes Tel Aviv with heavy missiles," which lacked veracity. The Tesla boss appears to outperform Grok's competing AI models, such as OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, or Anthropic's Claude, as during the past few months he's been criticizing OpenAI's operations and later even filed a petition against the company in March for derailing from its nonprofit objectives. In response to it, OpenAI filed papers and sought to brush away Musk's claims.